H2O, water, the substance all organisms need to survive. All of us have become familiar with it throughout our lives, but few know just how incredibly unique and amazing water really is. There's nothing else like it in the universe. Life would be impossible without it. Water has unique properties that set it apart from other substances, the first being its role as a solvent. Water is referred to as the universal solvent for a good reason. H2O is an extremely polar molecule. Because of this, water can rip apart ions and other polar molecules, like salt, with ease. Water can also stick to itself because of its high surface tension. The polar bonds water molecules form give it a cohesive property, allowing it to form droplets. This property is easily observed in space, where there's no gravity. Water is quite adhesive too. Polar bonds in it stick to other surfaces. You've probably noticed this while getting out of a pool. The water sticks to your skin when you get out and requires a towel or evaporation to remove it. The next property water possesses is its temperature resistance. Hydrogen bonds resist increased motion that heat causes, resulting in more heat being needed to break the bonds apart. This gives water a high boiling point. If not for this property, we would probably evaporate when going outside on a very hot day. The fifth and final property of water is that its solid form, ice, is less dense than its liquid form. Ice floats on water, no matter how big and heavy. Just look at this glacier. This is because hydrogen bonds keep water molecules farther apart than they would be without the bonds. As water cools, molecule movement goes down and less of the bonds are broken, keeping molecules farther apart. The ice becomes less dense because a given volume contains fewer molecules than that of the warmer water. That wraps up all of water's unique properties. All of them rely on hydrogen bonds. So without hydrogen bonds, water would be a completely different substance, and probably would not be nearly as supportive to organisms like us. So thank you, hydrogen bonds. We appreciate it.